Good morning, YouTube. Today's a pretty exciting day. So it's exciting because I got invited to drive the GarageSpeed X Pennzoil drift event, which is sick. So we're up bright and early right now. I just finished washing my car. Peep the new banner. My homie Ricky made me that. Super sick. Time to represent my channel. So right now I'm just gonna pack up the truck with all my tires, spares, jack, everything, tools, and we'll be on the road. Stay tuned. We got all the spares, tools, and jack and everything loaded up. Car is loaded up, looking pretty. And yeah, so I think my brother's gonna go with me, thankfully, because I'm kind of scared to drive alone. But let's get going. We are pulling up. All right, we're unloading the car now. We happen to park right next to Dustin Williams, which is sick. Here's my brother helping me. Let's get this thing off.
What's up, dude?
What's up, man? What's going on?
Track day, baby.
Yes, sir. Pennzoil. Micah's drift taxi.
You have a helmet? You want to come in?
axle is crazy.
Yeah.
You brought extras or no?
No.
Ah, shit.
That's my last one.
Drive my car.
What was that?
Drive my car. I'm serious.
What is it?
246?
Okay. Why not? He's breaking your clutch today, I hope you know.
That's fine. He breaks my clutch, I take his seats. It's okay.
What's it got in it?
Stock. M50 intake manifold, headers, tune, that's it.
Oh, 330?
Yeah.
Angle kit?
Angle kit.
Now I really wish I brought my
Alibaba.
Oh, I don't know if I want to drive it.
Nah, come on,
I
man.
feel like I'm for sure going to break it.
You won't break it. If you break it, it's okay. I won't mind, I promise.
Yeah, you always hear that.
Okay, but I'm not going to do
No,
it.
legit, we don't give a shit, bro. We do this shit all day.
Let's do it, Micah. That's all right. You said all right. Looks like something happened. It's coolant everywhere.
That thing is sick.
This is the parade. Got the car out. She's looking fine. It's a goddamn car show on the track. This is the only reason I came.
Yeah.
Get lost. I'm just kidding. This is so clean. Bro, Asher's car is so clean.
These lights are like.
Dude, Adam LZ.
Oh, hey, how's it going? Don't tell anyone I'm here. My bad.
Alright guys, so we're about to go with Eric. Something's going on with my car. I'm almost certain it's probably the wheel hub or axle, maybe diff. Something in that area is definitely wrong. I just had my brother drive it and he said the same thing. My steering definitely needs work. I need to tow out my front wheels and then focus on whatever that issue is in the rear. I need to stop buying used parts because I feel like that's my downfall to everything, but we'll see. Let's go! So, we just dropped off the truck, the trailer, and my car. Today was a blast to say the least. It was definitely sick meeting Chelsea DeNova, Micah Diaz, and Justin Williams. My car definitely needs a lot of work, to say the least. There's a lot of things that I need to change and kind of figure out, especially not running 225s in the rear because I have a low power car. So I'll probably switch to 205s. I need to get an aluminum expansion tank, tow out in the front, and a few other little tidbits. But anyways, today was great. I'm really happy I went. Shout out Asher for inviting me out. I'm happy you forced me to come. But anyways, you guys know the deal. We'll see you on the next one. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know your favorite part of today's video. But see you on the next one. Deuces.